Introduce highlight features and overview of Stalwart electric-powered pressure washer. Electric-powered, 2000 PSI. You can find wanted pressure washer at here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Highlight features are included. Easily eliminate dirt and grime on multiple surfaces with the 2000 Max PSI electric power washer by Stalwart. The 2000 Max PSI pressure, along with the 1.5 GPM, 14.5 amps, high pressure hose and adjustable nozzle give you everything you need for more cleaning power, function, performance, and versatility. Ideal for a range of cleaning jobs like driveways and wood and stone decks, this washer is a must-have for tough home or work cleaning. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.